Welcome, viewer. This is very good news for you because Facebook has officially started issuing cash bonuses to some of its users from the amount of $725 million set aside by the Meta company. Many people have woken up to find transactions reflecting in their accounts, while others are left at a crossroads, not knowing what is happening behind the scenes. Are you also eligible to receive this huge amount, and have you met all the criteria so you can receive yours? Wait right here, Martinog Pro is here to make it clear to you. It is very possible that you are one of the people who should be paid and benefit from this pool of $725 million right now. Stay with me from the beginning to the end of this video so I can give you the reality and lay everything on the table so you can know if you are eligible to receive that amount or if you have met the criteria to get those funds. The truth of the matter, which I have researched deeply, is that Facebook has officially started pushing the second round of payments, known as bonus payments. This is due to the remaining funds from that major historical privacy lawsuit settlement, where a total of $725 million was set aside for users. What you do not know is that, during the first round of distributing these billions, millions of dollars remained completely unclaimed because other people's paper checks that were sent out stayed for too long without being deposited in the bank, passing their expiration date and canceling their registration, and other digital transactions failed. This situation caused a massive balance of approximately $100 million to just sit there in the settlement funds without its owners. That is when the High Court stepped in and issued a heavy decree that the remaining funds should not be returned to Meta, but rather be redistributed for a second time to all those sharp people who completed that first process properly and on time. This current amount being distributed, as I told you, is being pushed from that massive remaining pool to give everyone involved their right. These payments have officially started rolling out since June 9, 2026, and will continue to be pushed rapidly for 4 consecutive weeks through the exact same methods that the beneficiaries chose at the very beginning during the initial registration, including PayPal, Venmo, or through the direct check system. However, before you get excited and start looking for ways to get these funds into your hands, open your ears and pay close attention here. These payments of millions of dollars are not open to everyone worldwide. This is a special and legal strategy that applies only to those users residing or who lived in the United States alone, who used the Facebook platform within the period between May 24, 2007 and December 22, 2022, and most importantly, only those who successfully submitted an official claim form before the deadline set for August 2023. If you were not in that system from the beginning, there is no new opening right now, and you cannot apply at all. This is where I give you a tip and a major safety warning. Because this payment news is absolutely true and trending everywhere, many social media scammers have started using this loophole to send fake emails, scam links, and messages pretending to come from Facebook in order to steal your data and your password. Remember and keep in mind that the real payment does not require you to pay any upfront fee, provide your Facebook password, or fill out a new application form online. Official messages and instructions come from the Facebook User Privacy Settlement Administrator alone. Be very vigilant and protect your account against these dangerous people looking for an opportunity to scam you. I am Martinog Pro. Have you ever encountered or seen any message telling you that you have won online money that required you to enter your password? Drop your comment down below and don't forget to subscribe to be the first to get insights and investigative news like this every day. See you in the next video.